What's up, guys? It's 3:30. We're going to hunt some ducks this morning. We got permission at this little pond in Ohatchee that me and Andrew are gonna go hunt. But I went over there scouting. I've been scouting it for about the past week, and there's been a bunch of big ducks on it. All right, guys, decoys are set. We got a couple of geese right here, just because there's a bunch of geese in this lake and they like landing beside them. But we got about 2 dozen just mallards and gadwall. We try to use all hens. We got 2 drakes out of the whole dozen, but I don't like using a lot of green because we don't have a lot of green around here. So Bella's still swimming out there. We'll let y'all know when it gets daylight and the ducks start coming in.
Right above us.
Where? Where?
Right behind us.
Oh shoot, get ready to kill him if he... Ah! I don't know. Oh, there he is. Next one that comes over, shoot it. And then that's a gadwall. You can go ahead and kill that one if you want to. That's a gadwall. Yeah, if you want to. Here, is he close enough? Get ready. Kill him. Got him. Got him.
Get ready.
Kill him.
Get him. There's another one coming over.
Good shooting. Oh yeah, dude, we smoked them. Them both of them folded, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, ducks, get down, get down. Here, get ready. Kill them.
Too far.
No, they wasn't. They wasn't right then. There's gonna be more. Yeah, just stay down for now. We got 2 down, right?
Here they come,
Where? You ready? Kill these. Alright, they're done. They're gone. They're gone. These are about to land right here. Two just landed right here. I'm about to kill them.
Oh, 3 more over.
Where?
Coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Another one.
Don't shoot these. Kill this one, kill this one. Huh? Finish that one. He's dead now. Dude, oh. Heck yeah, this is awesome. These ducks are in here like crazy, bro.
I'm gonna shoot that scope the next time, boy.
I don't know where it went.
He's still in the decoy last time I saw.
Really? Two. No, they're too far. All right, get ready. House.
Lucky bastard.
If they get in that little hole, you can kill them.
Yeah, he's literally right here, dude. See him?
Yeah. Oh, look at him all. Kill him.
Oh, he hit him, baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good shot.
Talking about. That's the first stuff out.
Finish them off.
Shoot both of them. I'm out of bullets.
Oh shoot. Got him.
You have to finish him off too.
Yeah.
Holy cow, dude. How many? We're about to run it.
Yeah.
I don't even know how many we shot.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at one. We got a limit already, dude.
One more?
We got 6 more and we're done.
GoPro ain't seen.
Kill him. Oh, my gun clicked. My gun's jammed.
You shoot it?
Yeah, if you can. Wait. No, they're about to. I'm gonna call them back in. Good Bella. Drop. Here, get down. Hurry.
Come on. Good Bella.
Here they come. Drop, Bella, sit. Drop, Bella, come here. Drop, Bella, sit. Bella, sit.
Oh my goodness.
Bella, sit. Shit. Bella, sit.
Come here.
Shit, she's flaring them ducks. We gotta.
Here.
Dude, we gotta. Dude, look at this gad wall. Oh, ducks. Stay down. Where'd she go? Get out. Dude, look at all of them. Here, let's get back here and hide again.
Yeah.
Drake gadwall, dude. Oh my gosh. I'll just get right here.
Come on.
Here they come. Big group.
Bella, come on. Come on.
Bella, here.
Bella, come on.
Here. I mean, I guess we can send her out there. Go ahead and get them.
Bella, come on.
She ain't gonna stop till they're all back anyway. Dude, that's a stud Drake gadwall though. There's 2 more farther out though. Oh, ducks, a bunch of them.
Where?
Right there, way high. Get low to the water. We'll just send her from the bank. We gotta get hid. Do what? For real? Heck yeah. That's freaking sick. Oh shoot, dude. My shot cam fell off. What are they? Oh dude, a bunch, get down. They're a little far. You can kill that one. Wait. Alright, kill them 2 that just landed. Shoot the one on the right. I got him.
Come here, Bella. Come here. Hey, bring him. I don't know if he's coming away or not. Come here, Bella.
Shoot that. Well, no, it's too far. Another Drake gadwall. Where's that other one? Yeah, grab that one. What's that? Hen mallard. Dang, where's the drakes at? I know I heard some.
If I can get her to stay, she'd be good.
Yeah. Yeah, my shot cam's gone.
Where'd it go?
I don't know, it fell off.
In the water?
No, I don't know, we'll look for it later. All right, so we got 3 more out there, I think.
Yeah, I know. Where'd you find?
Oh shoot.
Where's that coming from?
I don't know. Get ready. Kill him. Go get him, Bella. Get a shoot.
That's the train, buddy.
Bella. Did you get him? Really?
He ain't dead. You want to shoot him?
If you can reach him, or send Bella. Bella can catch him probably. Oh, dude. Dude, I'm gonna mount one of these gadwall. Oh, it's a hen gadwall. Shoot ya. Yeah, that thing's dead. Yeah, that thing's dead. Send her if you want to. No. Oh shoot, ducks.
Where's that man?
Let's sneak over here.
I gotta get some more bullets.
All right, here, come here. Oh, yeah, I got 3.5. Come on. Let's sneak over here and shoot these. Or do you want me to kill this one? Oh, it just got up. If we, oh, these are gadwall. If we walk this way, we'll kill them. Yeah, it's gadwall. That's gadwall. Wait, no, don't kill him. Wait. That's a Drake mallard. It just went farther.
Bella, come on.
Here, Bella. Here. Dude, that's a stud Drake. Here. Drop, 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 Bella. Oh my gosh. Drop. No, Bella, drop. Stop. Dude, ducks, ducks, ducks. Bella, no. Oh, dude, 2 out there. Kill him. Kill him. Andrew, kill him. Right here. Go.
Got it.
Yep. Send Bella.
Come on, go get him. Good, Bella.
Oh, 2, 3, 3, 3. Only shoot them when they're crossing. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
Good, Bella. What's she doing?
There's more ducks out there. There's one right here. See it?
Oh, I see it. Oh, that's a bufflehead.
That's a hooded merganser.
Oh, man.
It dove. When it comes back up and I just smoke it or she will never get it.
I think she lost that duck.
It probably dove on her too.
Come on, Bella. In the house.
Yeah.
Bella. Come on. Come here, buddy. Hey.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Wait, I'll get it. Let's pick them up and see what we got.
Alright. Let me go get that one.
Yeah. Oh, two. Get down. Here they come. Get ready. Right here to the left. Kill them. Ah. Yeah, these.
Hey. What do you think?
Okay, that's good. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Get ready. He's too far. Here, Bella, here. Drop him. Drop him. Drop him. I gotta get some more shells. See where that buffalo head is? Go over there. One right here, one right here. Dude.
Well, I know we got two still out there.
We got.
I can see.
Well, I shot that buffalo head, and I don't think I killed him. He went over here, but there's one right here, and I see one right here.
Yeah, that's the same one.
Yeah. See if you can send Bella to this one. Yeah, and I'll go to this one. And there's another one over there, I think. Let me know if you see ducks. Good bell. Good bell. Here. Get it here. Drop it. Another gadwall. Oh. I ain't gonna shoot at that. Hey, there's another one landing right here. To the right. Shoot him if he comes straight over. Hey, in front, in front, in front. Hope this GoPro's still going. Oh yeah, we're still recording. Yeah, he's a little too far. Alright guys, we're back. We ended up with 8 puddle ducks and 2 hooded mergansers. Probably gonna mount this one, that gadwall, and Andrew's gonna mount a gadwall and that Drake hooded merganser. But we're gonna clean them up and then we'll cook them for y'all. Do a little taste test. So we'll see y'all at the house. Alright, I guess I wasn't recording, but we got the ducks cleaned and got them seasoned up with old Kinders. We're about to just pan fry them. Andrew's never had duck before, so he's gonna try it out. So we'll prop y'all guys up. Start this oven. We'll season them on both sides and then just Sear them up. All right, I think the oil's hot enough, so we're gonna throw them in there. Oh yeah. Shouldn't take too long. These are all gadwall, I'm pretty sure. We decided we was gonna mount the mallard, and Angie's gonna mount the merg and one of the gadwall, and I'm gonna mount one of the gadwall and that mallard. Looking good. Old BB hole right there. Tore them up. They should only take about 10 more minutes to cook all these. So. All right, we got a good sear on them. We're gonna finish them off in the oven. Got a little piece we're gonna let Andrew taste test here in a second. All right, the duck's ready. Andrew's gonna do a little taste test.
That thing is scoldering. Yeah, it's done.
What you think?
That's like steak to me.
Heck yeah. All right, we're gonna eat this up. We'll see y'all next video. Don't forget, like and subscribe.